Student, now we'll do Algebra Standard 10 Practice Set 1.4 Chapter Linear Equation in two variable. So textbook page number 19 1.4. So first sum 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 15. So this is our first equation, equation 1. Second equation, 8 upon x plus 5 upon y, 5 upon y is equal to 77. Equation 2. Okay. So these are simultaneous equation but not a linear equation. First of all, we have to convert this equation into linear equation. Then we have to solve the sum. So how we convert the equation into linear equation? See, substitute 1 upon x is equal to 8 and 1 upon y is equal to b. Okay, so this 2 upon x will become 2a minus 3 upon y will become 3b and 15 as it is. So this is our new equation 3. For example, you can see here 2 upon x. Okay, that means 2 multiplied by 1 upon x. We can write this 2 ones are 2. 2 into 1 upon x means 1 upon x is equal to a. 2 into a, 2a. Okay, so similarly we can change 3 upon y and this also. So for this 8 upon x we can write 8a, and for this plus 5 upon y we can write 5b is equal to 77. Equation 4. Okay, so here we will make one variable same. So here we will make a value same. So to make the value a same, we have to multiply this by 4. When we multiply this by 4, we have to multiply complete equation by 4. So 4 2s are 8a, 4 3s are 12b, and 4 15s are 60. So this is our new equation 5. Okay, so now write this equation 4. 8a plus 5b is equal to 77. Equation 4. Then write this equation 5. 8a minus 12b is equal to 60. Equation 5. Here values are same but sign are also same. We cannot cancel it. To cancel this 8a, we have to subtract equation 5 from 4. So I am writing here subtract equation 5 from equation 4. Okay, so put the line, put a subtract sign, and here this all sign will change. When we subtract equation 5 from 4, so all sign will change. So this will become plus 8a will become minus, minus will become plus, and plus will become minus. When we subtract, so this line sign will be changed. So plus 8a and minus 8a cancelled, plus 5b 12b plus 12b, this sign 17b is equal to 77 minus 60 17. Okay, 77 minus 60 17. So b is equal to 17 upon 17. 17 ones are 17 ones are, b is equal to 1. So the value of b is 1. So substitute value of b in equation. Take simple equation. So equation 3, 2a minus 3b is equal to 15. Equation 3. So 2a as it is, b value is 1. So put 1 is equal to 15. 2a as it is, 3 ones are 3. 15 as it is, 2a as it is, 15 as it is, minus 3 will come here, plus 3. 2a is equal to 15 plus 3, 18. So a is equal to 18 upon 2. A is equal to 2 ones are 2, 9s are 18. So value of a is 9 and value of b is 1. So we have to find out the x and y value. So resubstitute. Now resubstitute. What? A is equal to 1 upon x and b is equal to 1 upon y. Put the values. A is 9, 1 upon x, cross multiply, x will come here and 9 will go there. Okay? Cross multiply. Put the value of b, 1 is equal to 1 upon y, y ones are y is equal to 1. So x 1 upon 9, y 1. So x is equal to 1 upon 9 and y is equal to 1 is the solution. So first sum done. Now second sum. 10 upon x plus y. Second sum 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4. So this is our first equation. Second equation 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. So this is our equation 2. Now again it is not a linear equation, we have to convert into linear equation then solve. So what we'll do, substitute 1 upon x plus y is equal to m. You can take any variable m or mn or a and b, and 1 upon x minus y is equal to n. For this 10 upon x plus y, 10m plus 1 upon x minus y n. So there is 2, so 2n and then is equal to 4. So this is our new equation 3. For this 15m minus 5n and is equal to minus 2, equation 4. So here we have to make any variable same m or n. So here we will make the value n same. So to make the same value, this equation, this number we have to multiply by 5 and this number we have to multiply by 2. So when we multiply this by 5, we have to multiply the equation by 5 and this by 2. 5 2s are 5 10s are 50m, 5 2s are 10n, 5 4s are 20. New equation 5. This 2 15s are 30n, 2 5s are 10n and 2 2s are 4, minus 4. So this is our new equation 6. Here the signs are different, so no need to change the sign, then write add equation 5 and equation 6. So plus 10 minus 10 cancel, 50 and 30, 80m, 20 minus 4, 16. M is equal to 16 upon this 80 will come here. So M is equal to 16 ones are 16, 6 5s are 80. So M is equal to 1 upon 5. So our value M is 1 upon 5 and value now substitute M in equation. Which equation? Take simple equation. So we'll take equation 3. So 10m plus 2n is equal to 4. So 10 m value is 1 upon 5 plus 2n is equal to 4. 5 ones are 5, 2s are 10. So 2 ones are 2 plus 2n is equal to 4. Now 2n as it is, 4 as it is, plus 2 will come to the right hand side, will become minus 2. 2n is equal to 2, n is equal to 2, this 2 will come into divide, n is equal to 1. So value of m is 1 upon 5 and value of n is 1. Now again resubstitute m is equal to 1 upon x plus y and n is equal to 1 upon x minus y. Now the value of m is 1 upon 5 and 1 upon x plus y as it is, and value of n is 1 and 1 upon x minus y as it is. So reciprocal this fraction, so 5 upon 1, no need to write the 1 in denominator, and x plus y upon 1. So this is our new equation. Here also you can reciprocal or multiply this by 1. So x minus y into 1 give you x minus y and 1 as it is. So this equation x plus y is equal to 5 is our new equation. So equation 7 and x minus y is equal to 1, our new equation 8. So plus y minus y cancelled, x and x 2x, 5 plus 1 6, x is equal to 6 upon 2, 2 ones are 2, 3s are, so x value is 3. Now substitute x in equation 7. So x plus y is equal to 5, x value is 3, y as it is 5, y is equal to 5, 3 will go there, minus 3, y is equal to 2. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Now write x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2 is the solution. So we have done this second sum, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. Now third sum. So third sum 27 upon x minus 2. Third sum 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85. So our equation, first equation, second equation 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. Our second equation. So here substitute the value, substitute here 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to a and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to b. So 27 upon x minus 2, that means 27a plus 31b is equal to 85. So this is our new equation 3. For example, we can see here for 27, for example 27 upon x minus 2, how it comes? 27 into 1 upon x minus 2. So 27 ones are 27, 27 as it is, 1 upon x minus 2 value is a. So 27a. So similarly we can do this for 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to b. So 31b. Here also 31 upon x minus 2, 31a plus 27b is equal to 89, equation 4. So when the equation in cross having same value, so add this equation and then subtract the equation. So see, when these values are same, so then first add the equation and then subtract the equation, you will get two new equation. From them we can solve the value a and b. So first we'll add the equation. So add the equation. This is 58a plus 58b b is equal to 174. Add equation 3 and equation 4. Now divide this equation by 58. So you will get a plus b is equal to 3. Your new equation 5. Equation 5. Divide by, so right here divide by 58. When we divide this equation by 58, so it will become a, it will become b, it will become 3. So complete equation we have to divide by same number. So this is our new equation. Again subtract the equation now. First we have at 27a plus 31b is equal to 85. 31a plus 27b is equal to 89. Equation, this is our equation 3 and this is our equation 4. Now subtract it. First we have add, now we have to subtract. Subtract equation 4 from equation 3. Subtract this fourth equation from equation 3. So put the subtract sign, change the sign. Plus will become minus, plus will become minus, plus will become minus. So here minus 31 plus 27 minus 4a plus 31 minus 27 plus 4b and minus 89 plus 85 minus 4. So divide this equation by 4. So minus a plus b is equal to minus 1. Divide by 4. Now this is our equation 6. So 5 we get, by adding we get equation 5 and by subtracting we get equation 6. Now write the equation 5. A plus b is equal to 3. Equation 5 minus a plus b is equal to minus 1. Equation 6. Here the signs are different. You can cancel plus and minus a. Plus b, 1 and 1, 2b. 3 minus 1, 2. b is equal to 2 as it is. 2 will go down. B is equal to 2 ones are 2 ones are. So you get the value b. So now you have to find out the value of a also. So substitute value b in equation. See the equation which is simple. So equation 5. A plus b is equal to 3. Equation 5. B value is 1. Put 1. A as it is, 3 as it is, plus 1 will go there, minus 1. So A is equal to 2. So you get the value A and B. Now resubstitute. In resubstitute, 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to A. You can write A is equal to 1 upon x minus 2. For B is equal to 1 upon y plus 3. So here A is 2, 1 upon x minus 2 and B is 1 is equal to 1 upon y plus 3. So multiply this 2 by x minus 2. 2 x minus 2 is equal to 1 as it is, and this one y plus 3 multiply by 1 gives you y plus 3 is equal to 1. Solve it. 2 into x, 2x, 2 to the 4 is equal to 1. 2x as it is, 1 as it is, minus 4 will go there, plus 4. 2x is equal to 5, x is equal to 5 upon 2. And here y is equal to 1, plus 3 will go there, minus 3, y is equal to minus 2. So x value is 5 upon 2 and y value is minus 2. So you can write here, x is equal to 5 upon 2 and y is equal to minus 2 is the solution. So x is equal to 5 upon 2 and y is equal to minus 2 is the solution. Now question number 4. 1 upon 3x plus y, 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4. So this is your first equation, and 1 upon 2 bracket 3x plus y, then minus 1 upon 2 bracket 3x minus y is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 8. This is your equation 2. Okay, so first equation, second equation. So again substitute 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to m and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to n. So when we substitute for this, it will become 1 upon 3x plus y will become m, 1 upon 3x minus y will become n, and this 3 upon 4. Okay, so and for this 1 upon m upon 2, 1 upon 3x plus y become m and 2 as it is, minus sign 1 upon 3x minus y n above and 2 as it is, n is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Here, if to easy the equation, just multiply this by 4. So denominator 4 will remove. So first we'll simple the equation, then we'll solve. So give the name equation 3, equation 4. So multiply equation 3 by 4. So when we multiply this by 4, we'll get 4. Multiply equation 3 by 4 and complete it, and equation 4 by what? So remove this, to remove this 8, completely multiply by 8, because 2, 2 and 8 having LCM 8. For example, you can see here 2, 2 and 8. Take out the LCM, 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 4s are. Okay. So here 1 1 left, then 4 1s are. 2 multiply by 4 gives you 2 4s are 8. So your LCM is 8. So multiply this number, this equation by your LCM 8. So how you get this LCM? And then multiply equation 4, this equation 4 by 8. Okay. So when we are multiply by 4, 4m, and when we multiply this by 4, 4 and 4 cut, only 3 will left. So equation 5, new equation 5. When we multiply this by 8, 2 1s are 2 4s are 8, 4m minus, when we multiply this by 8, 2 1s are 2 4s are 8, then 4n left. When we multiply this by 8, you will get only minus 1. So this is your new equation 6. For example, I am doing here, you can understand over here, this multiply by 8 m upon 2. That means, for example, 2 1s are 2 4s are 4 into m, 4m. Okay, this is for example I have done this. So here and here same, multiply by 8, 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 1s are 2 4s are 8 1s are 8 1s are. So only minus 1 will left. So this is our new equation. Here my plus 4 minus 4 cancelled. So just you can write add equation 5 and equation 6. Just write it. 4m, 8m, 3 minus 1 gives you 2, m is equal to 2 upon 4, m is equal to 2 on the 8, 8 will come here, 2 1 the 2, 4 the 8, value of m is 1 upon 4. Now you have to find the value of n. So substitute in equation 5. Substitute value of m in equation 5. So equation 5 is 4m plus 4n is equal to 3. 4m plus 4n is equal to 3. 4m as it is, put the value of m, 1 upon 4 plus 4n as it is equal to 3. 4 1 the 4 1 the cancel, 1 1 the 1. So 1 will left, then 4n as it is equal to 3. 4n as it is, 3 as it is, plus 1 will come here, minus 1. 4n is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. N is equal to 2 upon 4. N is equal to 2 1 the 2 2 the 4. So n value is 1 upon 2. N value is 1 upon 2. Now substitute. Now resubstitute. You get the value of m and n. Your value of m is 1 upon 4 and n is 1 upon 2. Now resubstitute. M is equal to 1 upon 3x plus y and n is equal to 1 upon 3x minus y. So put the value of m. M is 1 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 3x plus y and n is 1 upon 2 3x minus 1 upon 3x minus y. Put the value of m and n. And then reciprocal the fraction. 4 is equal to 3x plus y and 2 is equal to 3x minus y. Now give the equation 3x plus y is equal to 4. This is our new equation. So our last equation is 6, 5 and 6. Then this is equation 7. And 3x minus y is equal to 2, equation 8. So 3x minus y is equal to 2. So here plus y minus y cancel, 3x 3x, 6x is equal to 4 and 2, 6x is equal to 6 upon 6, x is equal to 1. 6 will come here, 6 1 the 6 1 the value of x is equal to 1. Find the value of y in equation. So you get the value of x is equal to 1. So in equation 7 you can find out the value of y. Substitute value of x in equation 7. So equation 7, 3x plus y is equal to 4. 3x plus y is equal to 4. X value 1 plus y is equal to 4. 3 1 the 3 plus y is equal to 4. Y as it is, 4 as it is, 3 will come here, minus 3, y is equal to 1. So what is the value of x? 1 and value of y? 1. So therefore x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 is the solution. So we have done all these 4 sum. So student, if you get a benefit from this, so just please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay.